Nothing like having a 400-pound pig hanging out in your yard. Come on, right here. So we are finally wrapping up the garden. I'm out here looking totally messy. And I have a friend in the garden. So I'm going to show you where. She's going to come around right about... Where's she? Oh, I got to move it. There she is. There's Blondie Sue. We got her moved. We have not been able to move Hazel yet. Have you ever heard that saying, stubborn as a pig? Got that right. It took a long time to get over it. You guys will see all the fun little clips that I put together. That'll be at the end of this video of trying to move pigs to overwinter them. So let's take a look at stuff. All right, so here is the garden. We have buttoned it up, even though it looks like a complete disaster. But here's the thing. We overwinter our pigs directly in our garden so they can do their direct deposit of their doo-doo. It has worked out fantastic this last year. It was the best garden ever because there was so much fertilizer being able to be in the garden. So how cool is that, right? So they come in here and clean all the mess up, and we don't have to do any of the cleanup because they're just going to go along and literally just eat for days all the wonderful stuff that we have left in here. So all the vines, all the stuff that you would normally put in your compost, all the pumpkins. We had so many pumpkins this year, like just a massive amount. So this was the stuff that I just said, kids, just go ahead and leave it in the garden, and we'll take the hundreds and put them in storage, and we'll feed the pigs and chickens throughout the winter some snacks and stuff like that. So but this is all the stuff that we left in here. They will totally demolish everything in here, and it'll be back to blank soil for them to just kind of, you know, put all that poop on, that fertilizer, and then we'll be having so much snow and it'll be covered by that, and then we start the whole process all over again. So we pulled our popcorn. The last things that we had to do was pull our popcorn, which is this beautiful black popcorn. We have some white popcorn that we picked. I picked a couple Kiss Me Sweet corn, that's a sweet corn, and for seed. And then I grabbed a couple of these gigantic zucchini here so we could seed save from there. I'm not going to seed save from these white ones. I just like the black ones. They taste the same, but why? So she's already found the corn. She's hanging out in the corn. She's kind of blending in, isn't she? Like a little camouflage. We need to dig up the carrots and the beets, which all turned out really, really good. Really, really, really good. So then we had to block off our areas. So the hog and cattle panels that I use for all my tomatoes and stuff like that, we just went ahead and put them along places where I don't want the pigs to get into, which is our asparagus, my greenhouse, and some strawberries. I'm giving some strawberry area to them because the weeds have just overtaken everything, and I'm just done with it. So they can tear it up, and if there's any strawberry plants later, I'll go ahead and try to salvage them, but I'm over it. I'm over that certain area. Too much work. So then over here in this area is my garlic. So garlic has been planted. There's about 400 bulbs that we put in here, and we did, yeah, so 400, and we just planted them the other day. So always at the end of October, early November, up here in northern Michigan, we go ahead and plant them. So we weeded, and we did a little till, and then we took the wood chips and planted it around all the edges and made one strip down the middle so that we can step on it when we need to weed and harvest and everything like that. And then we covered everything up with all the, with all the leaves here, and that'll hold it down here in this space. Sometimes I put stuff to hold the leaves on, but this is like a narrow space that I'm not too worried about it. So we're just going to go ahead and leave that. If you want to know how to plant garlic, I have this free garlic training live call that I did, along with a workbook and just complete step-by-step directions that people have just absolutely loved and are growing their garlic now, and just so impressed that they can actually do it. And yes, you can too. And over here on this side we have our blueberries that I am not good at growing very good. I don't know if I just give up on them. So we'll see. They're red. I don't think they're supposed to be red, but we are going into dormancy right now, so I'll keep putting stuff on there to raise up the pH level, because that's what they like. So over here was the black pumpkin, or the black corn that we had that turned out wonderfully. I can't wait to go ahead and pop it when it's dry enough. So how fun is that to have popcorn, right? Like, it's just so cool. Dry beans, popcorn, garlic, potatoes, 1,000 pounds of potatoes that we harvested out of this garden here. Just what a blessing this year. It has been so great. So it's bittersweet to say goodbye to a lot of the stuff, but it has been a long, like in a good way, long garden season. So I hate when food's done, but it's nice to get the pigs in here to do their job again, and then take, you know, people always say wintertime is rest time. Not really. I got cool things going on. So, and I just noticed that we left a tray of popcorn in here. Hello, Blondie Sue. I'm going to have to take my popcorn. Thank you very much. Okay. All right. Let's see what ones I can salvage up from you, little pig. Get it, little pig. All right. So I better go and save the rest of the corn before she eats it all. See you guys later. Good stuff. Don't get seasick. Ooh, look at that one. Good one. Oh, I love these. Look at this. Those are massive. Look at that. That one's massive. That was so long.
Good time to video.
Yeah.
Pig poop. Enough.
Yeah, you can stop it now.
Chip's still eating it, Mama.
Come on, Blondie Sue. Let's go for a walk. Hazel. Hazel. Come on. Come on, piggy, piggy. Come here, piggy, piggy, piggy.
Yes, we do indeed.
Come on, Blondie Sue. Here, piggy, piggy. Suey. Come on, Blondie. Maybe they'll go over it without it better. Maybe. I don't know. I only got 44 minutes on my camera to be able to video you. Do 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 do. Come on, Blondie Sue. Hazel, tell her again. Let's move, lady. The all-you-can-eat buffet is waiting. True. Look at that look you have. Come on, Hazel.
You didn't get it, so come on. Let's go. Come on.
Oh, I never get it. I want the crankiness. What's up? Hey, what's up? What's going on? What are you gonna do to him, huh? You wanna go in there? Oh. Oh, for the love of goodness. That's ridiculous. Oh gosh.
There we go.
Yeah.
Hazel.
Come here, Hazel. That's very attractive there, Mrs. All 4 feet are on the board. Is it gonna work?
See when she tips it.
Yeah. Get scared.
Hopefully she runs this way.
You can do it! Ta-da!
Look at what you get. Your reward.
Come on, Hazel.